Okay, so we're going to unpack my vegetables bag from my trip to Borough Market. I've got some really amazing veggies there. Okay, before we go into vegetables, I wanted to show you this paisalis. This is really yummy. It's very easy to eat, and it looks like cherry tomato, but it tastes more like some kind of sweet, orangey, mangoey kind of type of fruit. It's really amazing. I'm gonna eat this one now. Yummy. Okay, so I've got some of these. Next I'm going to show you pomegranate. Look how beautiful it is. It's dark red, but the most beautiful thing there is what's inside. It's full of dark red burgundy colored seeds, and these seeds are full of juicy flesh, and that flesh produces amazing juice, or you can just use those seeds in salads. So next, oh yeah, I'm going to show you these. Look at these things. They look like carrots, but these are definitely not carrots. These are called salsify. They're long carrot-like type of root, which apparently is delicious. I've not cooked these myself, but the interesting thing about them, you might think it's a carrot, but these belong to a family of dandelions. Dandelions, those beautiful flowering plants full of goodness and various benefits. So and they can be of two varieties, black and white. So these I think I've got. I think these are white variety. So I'm going to cook these later, and I'll tell you what they taste like. So next item I want to show you is this. This is Quince. It's an amazing, beautiful fruit which grows in moderate climates. And I was surprised when I was talking about quince to some people. They actually told me that they actually don't know what this is or what to do with it. It's neither apple nor pear. It's a completely separate. I don't know if it's a hybrid, but it has a completely different taste, different flavor. It smells. The smell is absolutely amazing. You can't actually eat it raw like this. It is ripe now, but if you try eating it, it's very hard and it's very astringent, so it will create that very difficult taste in your mouth. That's very difficult to chew or eat something. So, but they can be cooked, and they produce wonderful jellies. These jellies are often consumed with cheese. They have jams as well, which can be consumed with bread, sandwiches, used as condiments. They are fantastic, and you can make amazing pies with them too. So this is something really interesting. Next, I'm going to show you beetroot, but this is an unusual beetroot. This is a longer. Normally they come in a sort of round shape, but this one is this elongated shape, more like parsnip or something like this. Well, beetroots are amazing. They produce this beautiful purplish, reddish color if you use them in salads or soups, anywhere really. So they are fantastic, and they're full of nutrients and vitamins, so highly recommend. Now I've got these. Look at these. These are a type of parsnip, but this is a yellow parsnip. So these parsnips are also supposed to be fantastic for you. They're absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to cook these later. And I even have look at this one. This is a pink parsnip, like pinkish whitish parsnip. So this is going to be interesting. I'll see how this works. Okay, and now we're going to go into my bakery. Oh no, I've still got more fruits before we go into bakery. So let me show you this. This is a dragon fruit, but this is a yellow dragon fruit. There are also pink dragon fruits. They're slightly different, but this one is a yellow dragon fruit. So it's gonna be interesting to eat this one. And now, oh yes, something else. My favorite. I'm going to show you my mangosteens. My mangosteens are gorgeous. They are in season now, and these are absolutely delicious. You open this shell, and here you can count the number of segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this fruit will have 7 juicy segments inside, which can be eaten. So I'm going to take these away. And now I'm going to show you some of my bread. I bought this amazing bread. Look at this. This is a gorgeous bread, so I'm going to use this bread. I also had some pastries and cakes, but they didn't make it to this video because they got eaten as soon as this bag arrived home. So, but I've got this bread, so I'm going to show you. So these are just a few things you can. These are just a few things you can buy in Covent Garden, not Covent Garden, Borough Market. So all these gorgeous things you can buy there. I also bought some yogurts. Look at this yogurt. This is a beautiful yogurt. So in Borough Market they've got amazing cheese and yogurt shops, and I bought some also cheeses. This one is a Swiss cheese, and I also bought this very interesting cheese. This is an artisan cheese from France, wrapped in chestnut leaf. So this is going to be interesting.
Take it. But we get quite a lot of people saying that they love it, so they can like don't worry.
Coming up and right. Well, Fresh player.
Yeah, what's up?